What is up, everybody? DanDanTheFireman here on today's episode of Gravity Doesn't Care, It's Just Gonna Attack. We're going to be focusing on this right here. We have a Yamaha V-Star close call, and the cool thing is we got some turtles being saved on this one, so we're going to just, play around with that one a little bit. But then this newbie riding mistake. Now, this happens to anybody if you have long pant legs. Don't get it caught on the peg. We're going to see why you shouldn't be doing that. It's another reason why I like having zippers on my boots, which, by the way, if you want to check it out, we have links in the description for a bunch of resources like beginner gear from REVZILLA. With that said, let's head to class and talk about all these things. We're doing a nice little right-handed turn, doing good. Whoa, 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 dumb pedestrian. You got to watch out for these dum-dums, everybody. You got to watch out for these dum-dums. So we're going to be going into this area, so we're going to make a right-handed turn. Pretty simple, right? Well, I always look for people like this. Now, this is the thing. You have to constantly scan everything. You're just like, what's going to be the hazard? Okay, so nothing over here in my path of travel is a hazard. There's no potholes. Okay, there's no traffic coming this way. I can make it in time. Who's this? You got to watch out for anything that's path of travel. This is the side of a pedestrian, everybody. Side of a pedestrian. He's going to go ahead and gun it. Now, pedestrians don't look for motorcycles just like cars don't look for motorcycles. Got to be very careful with these idiots. And I'm on a roll. I'm trying not to say mean things. I'm really not trying. Because I know some of you, I've gotten some comments, hey, thank you for not cussing. Thank you for not doing this. Because I put the live stream on during, in the living room. And my kids are walking in and out and they watch it with me. Because here's the thing. Smart rider principles can be applied to children riding bicycles. It can be applied to you driving a car. It can be applied to anything. So, I'm going to try my best. I'm absolutely sorry. Let me know in the comments if you're watching this on your big screen in the living room with surround sound, Dolby, what is it, 52 now? I don't know. Here we go. Let's go ahead and watch this. So thankfully the person decided to, oh, crap. Now, here's what typically happens when it comes to this situation. Right there. What's this? It's typically going to be like this. Oh, crap, me too. Right? That's typically what happens with us. Pedestrians do these dumb things. They do all the time. I don't want us to do the dumb things. Exactly. It's like a cat saw the cucumber. I remember those videos. It's actually kind of mean to do it to a cat. They think that the cucumber is a snake and it does that fight or flight thing. But it's a funny thing to watch. But anyways, this typically happens. Oh crap, cat in the cucumber. Smashing it. So I'm glad Hank PNS did not do that, because that would have been him dumping the bike. Especially, look at this, going over manhole covers with low traction. Super happy. So we're moving. See that cross intersection coming up? So that means we're going to go into orange stage. What are we doing here? Do you lose something?
Oh, don't hit the turtle.
It's a turtle. Oh, this is going to be a fun one.
Come here, little turtle. Come here, little turtle.
Very good. Very good. Very good.
All right.
Yeah, it's a water turtle, so you can throw it in the water. How many times have you guys seen somebody throw a tortoise? I'm rescuing the tortoise. Threw him in water.
Bye.
Hey, there you go. Bill, good to have you in the crew. Part of being a smart rider is acquiring and utilizing personal protective equipment. So make sure you grab yourself a jacket just like this one from REVZILLA using the link in the description. It's an affiliate link. It helps me out. No extra cost to you. Plus, it lets REVZILLA know that the DDFM crew is pretty badass and they actually grab some gear. Anyways, click that link. I'll see you soon. We're moving on to Fear de Jinn, which is a genie, right? Oh, whoa. What were you doing there, buddy? Gonna do a U-turn? That was pretty dumb of you. Whoa, don't do this either. Don't do this. All right, let's go back a little bit. All right, so we're going. Now, brake lights on the green light. Renzzi, you're going to have fun with this one. Jumping back and forth. So we got brake lights with a green light. What the heck is going on? That means this person's making a decision that doesn't involve going straight. Great arrows, by the way. Appreciate it. So what we're going to be doing is either turning left, turning right, stopping. We don't know. So why are we trying to pass? He's still moving. He hasn't made a decision. We're doing this. Look at our space cushion. It's just an overall impatient type thing. And we all get into it. I've done it before. I still probably do it every so often, but I still minimize and mitigate a lot of the risks by knowing what we see here. So now that I see this, I'll probably stop doing it altogether. So don't pass people like this in a car and a motorcycle because you don't know what they're doing, you know, with everything. So here's that side of the vehicle that just popped up. Now, what do? Apply some brake pressure, which I believe he does, progressive brake pressure. Okay, maybe it was a little slam, but hey, he brakes, then he horns. Very good. Got himself out of that danger. So now we're done. Good job, Fear to Jin. Is the D silent? Fear Jin? I don't know. But we're going to keep moving. And now we're like, oh man, I'm mad at you. And we're going to pass these people. One of the big problems with this is that this is right here is a sidewalk. It's a sidewalk. Got to be very careful with that. You don't know if anybody was coming. And now we're going to hit. Now, obviously, they would hit too, but I mean, that's what I'm trying to get at, is that we look at pertinent hazards in this situation. All right, here we go. Foot peg gets caught on the inside of leg, and it made my foot slip at the stop. Once she starts going down, there's no stopping. She's too thick. Feels bad, man.
Too slow, stop.
There it is.
Oh.
Those pant legs are roll those up a little bit. There you go. He's lifting it up well. Very good. Save your back. Hey, not his first time. Did a good job. I think that was just a straight up mistake that could happen to anybody. Okay, I wonder why his hand was hurting though. Let's go back. What's up, Amber? How you doing?
Hands are hurting, man.
So his hands are hurting. I don't know why. But we're going through a neighborhood. He's doing the appropriate speed. Everything so far looks like a smart rider.
But still, wow.
So foot peg got caught on inside of left pant leg.
Come on.
So this can happen to anybody. So that's what happens. So when you get your shoelace, you get your pant leg, you get anything dangling down next to your feet, and it catches that peg. So you try to put your foot down, right? Well, the problem is when you try to put your foot down, it's going to catch it. So that's why I don't like having shoes with loops and shoelaces. I like zippers. I like that bola thing. Write in the comments if you have that bola where it's like a little ratchet and it like. I like those. I have a zipper on the inside of my boots on the Icon 1000s, but I do have the pant leg going over it. So I mean, this could easily be a fear. So it's something I'm thinking about. I got to be extra careful with my pant legs. So that's what I love doing with these after action reviews. But once it catches, you're basically pulling the bike down too. So it's just gonna fall down. So what do we do in this situation that he has zero control over? We make sure we have protection for our motorcycle. Now, it looks like he's got, well, on this side, but on this side, he's got some brake lever guards. So the bar ends are going to be pretty good. I hope he has some sliders. I hope he has some engine case guards. I hope he has something. And that's why I want you guys to get some protection for your motorcycle too. But let's say your foot got caught and you fell down with it. Now you hit your shoulder, your hip, your head accidentally. Nikki, you're in the chat. Remember what happened in class? You kind of did that too. You put your foot down and it didn't catch or whatever, but you lost balance and then you hit the side of your head. We had a helmet on at the time. You still had a slight headache, but imagine not having that helmet. It would have been bad. It would have been bad. And it could have been something simple as just dropping the bike.
Oh.
So this is how you lift the bike. We do have that video on how to lift the motorcycle on Motorcycle Training Concepts.